What HVAC components usually last the longest? The ductwork, outdoor unit cabinet, and major heat exchanger parts usually last the longest, often for several decades when they stay dry, clean, and properly maintained. Ductwork often lasts 20 to 30 years or longer because it has few moving parts. Metal ducts can last even longer if they are sealed well and protected from rust, water, and damage. The outdoor cabinet can also last for decades, even when the air conditioner or heat pump inside needs replacement sooner. A furnace heat exchanger may last 15 to 20 years, but its condition matters because cracks can allow dangerous combustion gases into the home. The evaporator and condenser coils may last 10 to 15 years, although salty air, pets, dirt, and chemical cleaners can shorten their lives. Motors, capacitors, contactors, belts, and electronic controls usually wear out sooner because they run, switch, or heat up repeatedly. One useful fact many homeowners miss is that replacing a small part does not always mean the whole system is near failure, so a technician should check the component's condition and the system's repair history before recommending replacement. To help these parts last, change filters regularly, keep outdoor coils clear, control indoor humidity, and schedule professional inspections. A common mistake is assuming the oldest looking part is the most important, but hidden duct leaks can waste more energy than visible equipment, so have the ducts tested and sealed. Another misconception is that a clean filter fixes every airflow problem, while blocked vents, crushed ducts, dirty coils, or an undersized return can also restrict air, so ask for a complete airflow check. People also sometimes keep repairing a very old system without comparing the total repair cost with a newer, more efficient replacement, so request both options in writing before deciding. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.